Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me for another video. So today I'm going to show you how I made Crumbl cookies, y'all, and I did this by using box cake mix. And I'm telling you right now, these are going to be some of the easiest cookies you'll ever make. And if you don't tell anybody you use the box cake mix, who's going to know? So anyway, I'm going to take one box of Funfetti cake mix here, 2 eggs, a half a cup of oil, and a little bit of vanilla. And I'm going to mix everything together. And for these cookies, you can do any variation of flavors you like. I'm going to do the Funfetti cookie, an Oreo cookie, and then a lemon cheesecake cookie. I'm not even sure if they have an Oreo flavor, but I'm just doing one just to show you. And I'm going to use the same technique. I'm going to take 2 eggs and a half a cup of oil and just mix everything together well. So I'm going to let this dough chill for about 30 minutes. Then I'll get started on the Oreo cake batter. I'm going to repeat the same steps. 2 eggs, a half a cup of oil, mix everything well. And then this dough is also going to chill for 30 minutes as well. And for the lemon cheesecake cookie, I use the same ingredients, 2 eggs and a half a cup of oil. I'm also going to add a little bit of lemon zest to this. My dough was a tad bit sticky, so I did add a little bit of flour. And you can do this with any of the mixes if they're too sticky as well. Now to form the cookies, I'm just going to grab a couple tablespoons of the dough. I'm going to form a ball. I'm going to place them on my lined sheet pan here. And I'm going to take a little bit of parchment paper and flatten them with the bottom of a glass. Once that's done, I bake my cookies for about 9 to 10 minutes. Then I get started on making the icing. So the icing is going to be the only thing I'm making from scratch. So to make the icing, I'm going to take 2 sticks of butter along with about 4 ounces of cream cheese and 6 cups of powdered sugar and about a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm not making multiple icings. I'm going to use this one icing and I'm going to use that for all of my cookies. So now what I'm going to do is take about a cup of the icing out. I'm going to put that in a separate bowl and I'm going to add pink food coloring to that. So I'm going to use a toothpick and I'm going to start with a little bit, mix it in. And if I need to add more, I'll just add it little by little until I get the desired color. Now it's time to ice and decorate these bad boys. I'm going to start with the lemon cheesecake cookie. So I'm just going to spread all of the icing evenly on here. I'm not trying to make it look too pretty because you're going to have other stuff on top anyway. So I just want it to be at least evenly on the cookie. And then I'm going to add a little bit of lemon curd. I just picked this up in the store. You can make it from scratch if you wanted to, but I'm trying to make this as easy as possible. So I'm going to use a tablespoon, add it on top of the cookie. And then I'm going to add a little bit of graham crackers for decoration and a lemon slice. And then to decorate the Oreo cookies, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to spread the icing evenly on the cookie. And then I'm going to drizzle it with chocolate sauce. You could also drizzle it with melted chocolate if you wanted to. And then I'm going to top that with some crushed Oreo cookies. And then finally, to decorate the Funfetti cookie, I'm using a piping bag and a piping tip. And I'm just going to form a circle. And I'm just going to work around that circle until I reach the edge of the cookie. And then I'm going to top this cookie with sprinkles. Once the cookies are decorated, they're fine out at room temperature or you can refrigerate them. But guys, look at these cookies. We made these cookies with a boxed cake mix, y'all. It's like Crumbl who? No, but in all seriousness, this was a really cool recipe to make. I encourage you to get out there and make your own fun variations. But that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and I will see you next time. Bye!